Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Concatenating immutable vectors in one line, and beyond. This tutorial will explore how to concatenate immutable vectors in various languages, with a focus on achieving this, where possible and reasonable, in a single line. We'll discuss the trade-offs and complexities involved, particularly considering performance and code readability. What are immutable vectors? Before diving into concatenation, let's clarify what immutable vectors are. Immutable vectors are data structures that, once created, cannot be modified in place. This means any operation that appears to change the vector actually creates a new vector with the desired modifications. This property offers several advantages. Thread safety. Multiple threads can safely access and use immutable vectors without needing locks, as there's no risk of one thread modifying the vector while another is reading it.